Coming back to the second part of it, Karnataka State Standard 10th English language, English first language. We are now closing in on little part of grammar. First of all, let us concentrate on the spelling of grammar. Many of us, I don't say you, spell the grammar itself in a wrong way. Grammar. Many do it er. Just listen that. Just give little attention to that. Grammar will be done in just a tipsy-turvy manner, not that everything will be served on a plate. Let us do it in a bit different manner, because otherwise there will not be an alert mind. That is my focus on it, or aim of it. Because if it is told that whatever I will tell will be the correct and right thing, then you will accept it. Our teacher used to do that, used to put a googly in between. So just listen. Maybe I am telling some of the things wrong, or many of the things are homework for you. Just listen. Now, just A, B, and C parts. D, you will have to do it on page 13. From page 13 onwards will be done for the same lesson. Just a wrong man in workers' paradise. I hope you are not a wrong person in the grammar paradise. Just listen. Part A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. These are the articles which we call. His long nose gives what? Dash unique feature. A unique feature. Just listen. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels which we are told since our school days, that when it comes, the article that should accompany or the prefix is an. Then why is this? There are some exceptions also. Without vowels also there will be an, and with vowel also there may be a. I mean, because after all it comes to pronunciation. About pronoun and pronunciation, there is no particular relationship between. How they wrongly spelled, we will deal it another time. So even though u is one of the vowels, here the pronunciation is not of vowel, so it is his long nose gives him a unique feature. Whether I'm wrong or right, you will give me as a feedback. Looking at him, I said, second sentence, looking at him, I said that he must be dash European, an European. Third, I met him dash year ago, a year ago. Right or wrong, just listen. Fourth, walk past, full stop. You are dash young person, comma, not dash old man. Uh, you are a young person, not an old man. Just commonsensical. Fifth sentence, it was dash unanimous decision. It was or an unanimous, I say, just go into deeper details. Sixth one, Ivanhoe is a historical novel. Is it right? Dash novel, dash historical novel. I say a historical novel. Seventh one, we had dash hour of English. We had dash hour of English. What we'll say? An hour or a hour. An hour, because H is silent, so O is the vowel that is stressed, so an hour of English. Eighth sentence, modesty is dash womanly grace. What we will say? Modesty is a womanly grace. Is it so? Ninth one, the cyclope was a dash one-eyed monster. A, a one-eyed monster. Is it so? A, E, I, O, U, it comes. Even then you just check it up. I say a. Some of us may say and, because A, E, I, O, U rule is there. Just check it up. I say a. Once again I stress. Now the 10th sentence. My sister is dash MA in English. What we will say? Commonsensical. A-M-A? No. N-M-A, because M-A is pronounced not the word, no, letter M is pronounced it M-E-M, as if E-M written. So, N-M-A. She is an MLA. He is an MLA. So, my sister is an MA in English. 11th one, Satish was dash NCC cadet. Satish was an NCC cadet. Just check it up. 12th one, on his doctor's advice, comma, he had dash X-ray taken. A X-ray taken or an. I say an X-ray taken. Any comments is most welcome. Any comment is most welcome. 13th one, the doctor is dash FRCS. It's a degree. FRCS is a degree, just like MBBS. Earlier there was FRCS and FRCS, because for F also it is as if E is there. E, F, F we say. 14th one, my name begins with dash H. A H. Hanuman, Hemant, Hamilton, and H. 15th one, and the last one of the part A, my name begins with A H. A H. Just clear? 15th one, now coming to the last one of the part A of the grammar, it surely dash historical event. Surely was dash a historical event. It surely was a historical event. Now, B, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the, wherever necessary. Note, there are some blanks where an article is not required. Article is not at all required. Okay. First one, there is dash fly in dash coffee. What we will say? There is a fly in the coffee. Before drinking, look into the coffee and think of this sentence. Grammar will also improve, and also your health. Second one, dash book you wanted is not in the library. What you say? A book or the book? The book you wanted is not in the library. Why the? Because you are pointing out to the particular item. The. A means any book. The means particular book that you wanted. So the. Third one, dash cow is dash useful animal. What you feel here? Cow is a useful animal, one would say. Just comment. First one left blank. Should it be filled with something else? Tell me. Fourth one, Mount Everest is dash tallest peak in dash Himalayas. So, first one I have left blank. Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the Himalayas. Himalayas is a name, and it should not, as per the commonly accepted rule, any name should not be prefixed with the article the. But why the Himalayas? Just think about it. Is it wrong or is it right? Because it means Himalayas, the mountains. So it's the is used. Otherwise, Himalaya is a name and the should not be used. We don't say the John was coming. No, like this. But here, Himalayas, the mountains. So that's what our school teacher told. Fifth one, where is Esther? Is an inverted comma, quoted sentence. She has gone to dash school. She has gone to the school. To a school. She is not going to any school. She is going to a particular school. Considering that it is the particular school she is going. Think of it. She is an agent for a government, some schemes or something. Then we can say she has got to a school also. Just remember, she goes to many schools every day. Where she has gone? She has gone to a school. Her mother or her household, people may say. So you should be able to justify what you are saying. We should be able to justify in the sense understand the things in particular situation that we are handling it. It's not that we are justifying our mistakes. Remember. Sixth one, dash Kaveri flows into dash Bay of Bengal. So I feel first one you can leave blank, can be left blank. Kaveri flows into the Bay of Bengal. Seventh one, I love stories from dash Ramayana and dash Mahabharata. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata, because it is only the one, only Ramayana. Because, but here also, just the way it has gone, Esther has gone to school. Here also, I love stories from a Ramayana or a Mahabharata, maybe also, right? Why? Because many people have written. So one of the Mahabharatas I like, one of the Ramayanas I like. So am I confusing? No, I am letting you to think, because ready-made things will not allow you to think, and without thinking, knowledge won't come. Your thinking will bring in knowledge for me also. Eighth one, Hamlet is dash greatest tragedy of Shakespeare. Not helmet, huh? Hamlet. Hamlet does mean small village also, meaning Hamlet is a name of a play, William Shakespeare. So Hamlet is the greatest tragedy of the Shakespeare. No, Shakespeare. Leave the dash, that dash just before his name. Blank. Ninth one. Joshua plays dash piano well. Full stop. So his parents bought him dash new piano. So Joshua plays the piano well. So his parents bought him a piano. Tenth one, the climax in the chapter 10th, 10th chapter is not in the chapter 9. I have put in both the, whether it is correct or not. You just think. Climax in dash 10th chapter is not in the dash 9th, chapter 9. What we say? Yes, the, both places. 11th one, my uncle who was very ill last week is still in dash hospital. If you go to the go to dash hospital, you can see him. So he is still in the hospital, because some of the right things come automatically out of this and you are fed with answers. 12th one, I am going to the market to buy vegetables. Is it right? Or I am going to a market? Both may be right, but usually we write I am going to the market. Okay? Uh, to buy vegetables. You cannot come with me because you have to go to dash school. Go to the school because one is going to his particular school. There is no choice in the way we had in the where is Esther going? She has gone to a school. Maybe if she's a student, then because it's not so analytical for you, it's just a grammatical purpose. But even I say, we keep on saying what we thought. No, I will just come to that. So, 13th one, dad is dash aunt, dad is dash aunt coming with dash uncle. Dad is aunt coming with the uncle, sorry, because in vowel comes, the becomes the, remember that, the becomes the, pronunciation only, not any spelling differentiation. 14th one, dash kindness is a great virtue. I cannot forget dash kindness he showered on me. The kindness, just remember, the kindness is a great virtue. I full stop. I cannot forget the kindness he showered on me. 15th, dash English is dash universal language. I learned English at dash school. The English, again pronunciation the, English is a universal, even though U is there, it is pronunciation is a universal language, full stop. I learned English at the school. Now last in the C, third part. Last in the sense, there are many parts in the textbook, but you are advised to go through that. I won't touch upon those things uh, because it's something, some of the exercise, please you yourself do it. C, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Preposition, what is preposition? Preposition is what just name itself says, which describes the position of particular thing. Preposition, okay? Nothing different thing. Grammar should be understood in a utility based manner, not a this is this, that is that, that is this, and then we stumble upon so many things and wrong things happen. First one, this table is made dash wood, made of wood. Second one, I expected dash him a better performance from him. Third one, he is a man dash a fine sense of humor, with a fine sense of humor. Fourth one, I saw a beautiful girl with a limp, with a limp. Limp in the sense, we say the crutches are used by a differently abled person. So with a limp, dash a limp, and you should use with a limp. Fifth, the purpose fell dash of it, sorry, the purse fell out dash his pocket, out of his pocket. Sixth one, she often quotes dash Shakespeare. She often quotes from Shakespeare. Is it so? From Shakespeare. Just think of it. Seventh one, our examinations begin dash 15th April. From 15th April. It was such a nice thing to use these words because examinations have been a very long past thing, forgotten. So, eighth one, I had a message dash a friend from a friend. Ninth one, he hit her dash the head with a bottle, on the head with a bottle. 10th one, Neeta was angry dash what I had said. Neeta was angry to what I had said. To what I had said. 11th one, this is an idea I entirely agree dash. Agree what? Agree with. 12th one, please convey my best wishes dash him to him. 13th one, he inquired me dash. He inquired dash me what he should do. He inquired with me what he should do. 14th one, right or wrong you only tell. 14th one, please inform me dash about the details of the scheme. Dash about the details of the scheme. 15th one, I request you to intimate dash me what he should do. I request you to intimate to me what he should do. Is it so? 16th one, students must opt dash two of the three courses offered. Students must opt dash two of the three courses offered. Opt any two of the, any I have used, just say. 17th, he prayed dash God for help. He prayed to God for help. 18th one, they presented him dash a gold watch, with a gold watch. 19th one, please refer dash your letter of July. What? Please refer to your letter of July. The last one, this figure is wrong. Please strike it off. Don't strike it off. Keep it up. So, not the figure, just the grammar. So, we will meet again next time. Thank you. Goodbye.